Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Study finds human language processing mirrors how AI understands words. Mednews. The human brain may understand spoken language in a way that is similar to how artificial intelligence, AI, processes words, according to a new study. By tracking brain activity as people listened to a spoken story, researchers found that the brain builds meaning step by step, very similar to the way large AI language models do. This challenges older ideas that language understanding relies mainly on strict rules or fixed symbols. Instead, the findings suggest that meaning forms gradually and depends heavily on context, not rigid rules. The study found that this process closely matched how AI models handle language, where early layers focus on simple word details and deep layers build meaning using context. The researchers released the full findings, including detailed brain recordings and language features, to help other scientists explore how the brain creates meaning and compare brain activity with AI models. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.